this, Dad.
Next step is electrical.
So are we gonna like put like outlets and
Yes.
put electricity, put it coming in here?
Yep.
And Wi-Fi?
Yep. And after that. So now that the framing is done, so I have the boxes, the outlets and switches boxes right here. Which I am going to
Boo.
plug.
Hello.
Yeah. Right here. Not plug, but I will just like put them there. I'll put them on the walls. Right here. Right here. Right here. Okay, so now this is done. So this is what I'm gonna put it.
Yep.
So to put it, I want to make sure that the stud come to this way, to this level, and then put it right here. It's about 18 inches from the floor. So this is like the standard requirement, minimum. And I am gonna
Very low. Yeah.
right here. I'm gonna do the same.
Yep.
This is my cameraman, and this is my other camerawoman. So now it's all done.
Now we just need a drywall.
why I'm putting it in my mouth? Because I don't have my belt. I walk. So now I'm finished wiring this light in this room. You can see the light going from the switch to the first light right here, and then go to the second light right here, and then go all the way to the third light right here, and then go all the way to the last light right here. I'll show you, these are the lights that I bought. These are LED slim lights. So these are the glare control recess light. These are recess light. So I'm gonna put right here. It's gonna look like these lights.
Do you first have to do drywall?
Oh, nice.
Do you first have to do drywalls, Daddy?
Yeah.
We just need the drywall.
So now the second room, office, and then I got the cable go through this hole, coming out here, going right here, all the way to the first light. So the first light is right here. The first light is gonna be here. And the second light is gonna be right here, the last one. And that's it for wiring for now.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.